Chapter 1. Meet the computer parts. Tech Surf. In this chapter, we will learn computer, computer versus man, types of computers, parts of a computer, functions of computer parts, working of a computer. Computer. Computer is a very smart machine. It is an electronic machine because it runs on electricity. Nowadays, it is used almost everywhere, like in shops, offices, hospitals, banks, schools, homes, etc. Features of a computer. A computer has some wonderful features that make it smarter than human being. It works very fast. It can do many tasks at the same time. It can work continuously. It never makes mistakes. Tech Insights. The HP Envy Move is an all-in-one PC that can be carried around like a briefcase. Computer versus man. Machines are made by man. Computer is also a man-made machine. Although it has very wonderful features, it is different from humans. Let us know how a computer is different from a man. Work progress. A computer never gets tired and bored. It can work continuously. A man cannot work continuously. He needs rest after some time. Time. A man takes longer time to do any work as compared to a computer. A computer works very fast and can do many jobs in a short time. Accuracy. A man can make mistakes anytime. A computer never makes any mistakes. Decision. A man takes his own decisions. A computer cannot work on its own. It needs commands or instructions to do any work. Versatility. A man can do only one task at a time. A computer can do lots of tasks at the same time. Storage. A man cannot remember many things. He forgets very soon. A computer never forgets anything. It can store lots of information in it. Tech Insights. Apple Vision Pro is Apple's first spatial computer. It blends digital content and apps into your physical space and lets you navigate using your eyes, hands and voice. Creativity. A man can create new ideas and invent many things. A computer cannot create any new idea. It only works on the commands that are fed into it. Types of computers. Computers come in different sizes and shapes. Some computers are big while others are small in size. Let us read about different types of computers. Desktop computer. A computer which is fit on the desk is called a desktop computer. It is also known as PC or personal computer. It is big in size, so we cannot carry it from one place to another. Tech Insights. Lenovo has introduced the world's first transparent laptop, taking a bold step toward turning sci-fi concepts into reality. Laptop. Laptop is a small and lightweight computer. It is designed in such a way that it fits easily on our lap. It works on battery. We can carry it from one place to another very easily. Tablet. Tablet is a small mobile computer. It is small in size. It is smaller than a notebook. We can work on a tablet by touching the screen with our fingers. Notebook. Very thin and lightweight laptop is called notebook. It is also known as mini notebook. It is smaller than a laptop. It is less powerful than a laptop and can perform few tasks. It also works on a battery. Smartphone. Smartphone is also called a mobile phone. It helps us to make calls, send messages, store phone numbers and perform many other tasks in it. It can be used to look for information on the internet. It also helps us to read documents, play games, click and share pictures and videos. It is very small in size. We can keep it in our pocket. Tech insights. These days, smart watches come with a small computer fitted inside them. Using these smart watches, we can make calls and send messages. Parts of a computer. A computer is made up of many parts. Each part does a different task and plays an important role. These parts are monitor, CPU, headphones, keyboard, speakers, printer, mouse, UPS, scanner. A computer system, monitor, CPU, keyboard, speakers, printer, mouse, UPS, scanner. These parts together make a computer system. Tech insights. These days, desktop computers in which the CPU and monitor are combined together as one unit are also available. This type of computer is known as an all-in-one computer which takes less space than a desktop computer. Functions of computer parts. All its different parts perform different functions. Let us know about them. Monitor. A monitor looks like a television screen. It is also called visual display unit. It allows to see the work done on the computer. We can also watch our favorite cartoon shows and movies on the monitor. Keyboard. Keyboard is used for typing. It has small buttons for alphabet, number and symbols. These buttons are called keys. Mouse. The mouse is used to move the pointer on a computer screen. By clicking the buttons of the mouse, commands are given to the computer. It is always kept on mouse pad. It is used to draw pictures and for selecting objects on the computer. Tech insights. Microsoft launched a wireless mouse called Arc Mouse in 2008. CPU. CPU is short for Central Processing Unit. It is also called the brain of the computer. It controls all the operations of the computer. Speakers and headphones. Speakers let us listen to music and hear sound effects on the computer. We can wear headphones to listen to music or other sound. This way, other people do not get disturbed. Tech insights. AirPods are wireless Bluetooth earbuds that can be used to listen to audio, make and answer calls, and more. UPS. UPS is short for uninterrupted power supply. It is attached to the computer so that it does not switch off suddenly when the main electricity source gets disrupted. Printer. The printer is an important device. It is used to print the result of the work done by the computer. Scanner. The scanner does the opposite of what the printer does. It makes copies of the documents and images put in it and saves it in the computer. It works like a photocopier machine. Tech insights. When purchasing items, we notice a label with thin, black lines across it. This is called a barcode. A device that is used to scan a barcode is known as barcode scanner. Working of a computer. A computer cannot work without a command. We enter letters, numbers, pictures and symbols as command to make it work. These are called data. Different parts of computer do different tasks. Input process output cycle, IPO cycle. A computer works on input process output cycle. Input. The data and instruction that we enter into the computer is called input. Processing. Working on the data is called processing. Output. Output is the final result displayed on monitor. Input, process and output cycle is also known as IPO cycle. Look at some more examples to understand the IPO cycle. Input. Take a sharpener and a pencil. Process. Sharpen the pencil with the sharpener. Output. The pencil is sharpened. Input. Take pieces of apples. Process. Put the pieces in the juicer and run it. Output. Pour the apple juice into the glass. Now, look at the IPO cycle of computer. Input. From the keyboard or mouse. Enter the numbers and text. Process. By the CPU. CPU will process on the entered data. Output. On the monitor or printer. Printer and monitor will give the output. Data vault. Computer is a very smart machine. A computer works very fast and can do many jobs in a short time. A man takes longer time to do any work as compared to the computer. Computer comes in a different sizes and shapes. PC, laptop, notebook, tablet and smartphone are different types of computers. A computer is made up of different parts. Each part of a computer does a different task. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, etc. are the different parts of a computer. A computer cannot work on its own. It works on IPO cycle. Tech bytes. Desktop, a type of computer that works on electricity and kept on a table. Laptop, a type of computer that works on a battery and can be carried easily from one place to another. Monitor, a device that displays text and images. It is also known as video. Keyboard, a device with many keys used for entering data into a computer. Mouse, a device used for pointing and selecting items displayed on the monitor. IPO cycle, a cycle followed by a computer wherein it takes input, processes it and then gives the output.